Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this, and it wants you to using 8 classes. So it's going from in the 20s to the 70s, and it wants you to use 8 classes. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go 0 to 10. I'm sorry, 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70 to 79, 8. So here is the frequency or the classes, class. And then I'm going to do the frequency. So then I'm going to, in the 20s, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to do just 6 right there for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, and I don't see any more 20s, so plus 1. Okay, now I'll do the 30s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 51. If I add up 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1, that is a total of 25. So that's the frequency there. For the 40 to 49, so all of them across out here. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then for the rest, for 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. And then we have, I'm going to put 25 here. Okay. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then to count these, the highest number is 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. Okay, and so we have our histogram, and then I'll do the frequency polygon over it. So from 20 to 29 is going to be 25. And I always do this. Then from 30 to 39 is 51. So I'm just going to go right above this. Actually, I'm going to put the number inside. 25. Because when I do my frequency polygon, it'll get in the way. And this is 51. And then 18. 18. And then 10. And then 6. And to draw my frequency polygon, and I'm going to do this right in the middle. So then frequency polygon, that is what it will look like. So I hope that this video helps you. This is a teacher signing out.